Alright, everybody, thanks for tuning in again. Alright, in this video we are going to be continuing with our price comparison tool. I hope that you were present for the last one or two or more. I guess if, I don't know. Index, okay. So we've got we collected our title and price of a particular UPC in the last video, but just from Home Depot. In this video I'm going to do the same thing for Walmart and hopefully eBay also, if it does not take too much time. So I'm going to just come down here. We're going to say collecting Walmart. Alright, so we're going to start by I know I have my UPC, so we're going to say I need a URL. So URL underscore Walmart is equal to, and I'm going to go over here and let's go to Walmart, copy my UPC, and I'm using this UPC because I know it's available on this website. So as you can see, Brentwood double burner in white, Brentwood electric countertop double burner comma white, same thing. Different title. Sorry, no, okay, so I thought, I looked at this a couple days ago and I thought this was $24.50. I could be wrong, but it's potentially, prices change on Walmart. I don't know. We can see that it's sold and shipped by not Walmart.com, but instead My Goods, whoever that is. So okay, so to get my URL, I'm going to cut the URL that took me to the result that I wanted. This is the results page. It's got the title and the price displayed like I'm going to want it. So I'm going to paste that right there, and we're going to %22. Okay, alright. And that's our UPC code, so we're going to take that out and put my UPC in there. So let me actually my UPC. Okay. Keep these a little more grouped. Collecting Home Depot. Okay. Alright, URL underscore Walmart. So then we're going to do web.get URL underscore Walmart. And let's go ahead and just hit F5 on that. So I'll let it run through, I guess. So it's opening up our web browser. It's starting out by going to Home Depot, which we already have it set to do. I'm going to probably comment it out just to skip it, but collects that information, then it goes to the next URL. So now what I want to do is I want to get that title again, and I want to get that price. So I'm going to right click and hit inspect on this. Let me try that again. Okay, so we've got A class product dash title dash link. So let's try that, because I don't necessarily want the URL, which maybe I do actually. That would be good to get, but for now we would just want the title. So let's say, what did I say? Product title. So now if you remember from the last video, these different classes are separated by spaces, so they look non-threatening, but just separate them and use the one that's more, use just the one that's most relevant. And like I said, I think it's the first class, I think, is usually what I end up going with. So product title dash link. So we're gonna do web.get web.find element by class name, paste product dash title dash link, and then we're gonna do .text. And excellent, we got the title. So I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go over to here, and we're gonna say title underscore Walmart is equal to, and then wait, equal to, then paste that line, and that's our line. And then we're gonna want to do price underscore Walmart is equal to something. Okay, so now we want the price. So I'm going to right click, and if the price did change, then that's a good reason to have the price checker program, like I said, we're also going to take a look at doing. Obviously it's going to be pretty necessary if you're going to do drop shipping, and if it turns out that that is true. So okay, so price, fair enough. You also have to look, now you have to consider, sometimes on different websites you see how it's crossed out right here and then it's got the name right here. Well, sometimes if it's not crossed off and it's just that one price, it'll have different HTML data for that item than it will for a case such as this. So consider that. And also, even though this says, oh, the list price is $36.59, that doesn't, well, I guess it could be true, but I don't know if that really means that that's actually what the price ever was, especially considering that it was being sold and shipped by not Walmart.com, but by whoever this is, I guess. I don't know. So, okay, so what I said I was going to do is span class price, I guess, or price main block. Let's try just regular class price. So web dot find element by class name. And what did we say? Did I paste it? No. Oh, I just said price. Okay. Dot text. What do we get? Alright. Looking good. So I don't have to do any text formatting this time either. So I have my price. I'm going to copy that and put this into index, and we're going to backspace paste. Okay, and so you can see that code. Okay, so we've got our title and our price for Walmart also. So let's go ahead and do eBay. So we're going to say, so print UPC plus my UPC. Then we're gonna say print blank space, and then how about print Home Depot, just to kind of make this stuff look a little bit better, I think. So print Home Depot, I don't know, and then print or how about I do just a tab. It might look silly, but I don't know, I just like to make my stuff look nice when it's coming across the screen. So how about we get rid of that? We're gonna do the same. Print plus title underscore Walmart, print plus price underscore Walmart. Alright, did I do that to make sure it works? So again, it's going to open up the browser automatically, then it's going to navigate to our first URL, which is homedepot.com. With our specified URL, we're going to extract the price and the title of our item and print it out to the screen. Then we're going to do the same thing for Walmart. Oh, I forgot to do the Walmart part. But as you can see, it works. So print Walmart. Alright. Okay. So close all these. And now what's next? eBay, I said. So collecting eBay. So just like the last two, we have to use the URL to, or the UPC, the UPC to construct our link to search this. And now a few things. This is, there's several different things you can do with this page. So this is already my URL, I guess. There's a lot of different things you can do with this page. There are ways to filter. First of all, if you want just used or new for some reason, if you want sold, you can see the sales history without using the API, although that's not the way that I would recommend. Then there's also the fact that how many results there are. So if you're using this to source from, if you're selling on Amazon and you want to source from eBay, what you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want, you said you want a price. So, I mean, like I said, there's a lot of different things you can do. Like, you can take the average price of all these if that's what you want to do, but then that's going to not necessarily give you an accurate representation of the price of this for sale on eBay. So probably what I would do is I would get whatever the prices are on the other two websites and then see if this price is within like a certain percentage range of those or below a certain range, so I can say, well, yes or no. I don't know, something like that. But just for the sake of, because it depends on what you're doing, I'm actually just going to take the average price of all of these, which is still not a bad tactic depending on what you're doing. So there's 33 results. Do I really need all 33? Let me think. I guess the more data the better, maybe, I think. I don't know, honestly. So we're gonna just go ahead and take all 33 results. excuse me. Okay, so I know that this is my URL, so I'm gonna take my URL and we can just minimize that. So collecting eBay, so URL underscore eBay equals that, and I hit Control Save constantly, Control S, like after every, I don't know, very like 2 or 3 times a line, for real, honestly. Well, depending on how long the line is. Anyway, so URL underscore eBay, and then we're gonna do web.get. Now, if you haven't already seen, I'm kind of like directly doing the same thing over again. So really what we can do is we can keep it this way, or we can try to, or if you want to, you can turn it into a function. So all that you do is just change the input data and it just runs all the same stuff. But I don't know, actually, I think I usually do it like this, honestly. So anyway, URL underscore eBay web.get URL underscore, not any of that, eBay. So web.get. So title. Okay, so title. What would you do for a title? Since there's 33 different titles, we can look at it and see that they're all kind of mostly the same. But if I would have took the very first result, then I would have got this, which is not really as recognizable as this. So probably I would just take a random one, maybe. Probably just whichever one is at the bottom of the list, and I'll just go with that and forget it. Okay. Web.get URL, so title underscore eBay equals web.find. I don't even know what yet. So I have to right click inspect. H3 class S item double underscore title. Okay, so because it's like, okay, this is your item title, because it kind of says it in the class name, you can kind of get the feel, get the idea that this is going to be the title of the product, so safely you can assume that. Now you can also assume, because there are 33 results, and that there are 33 results on this page, if there's that many included on this page, I guess, which will do that. That if I do web.findElements with an S, then I'll get that list of 33 of them. But let me also close this out because it's just confusing me right now. Excuse me. Alright, I was trying to do the number of items per page, but I don't see it, so I'm not going to worry about it. So, okay, what did I say I was going to do? Because I totally forgot. Title _ eBay, web.find. Okay. Elements. Now, the reason we're going to choose elements is because, well, hold on. I'll just show it to you. Web.find elements by class name. Which was... Did I copy it? Okay. Web.find elements by class name. You can't say... Now, this is going to return you back a list of these WebDriver objects and or whatever, and so you can't say .text at the end of this because you can't .text a list. You can do .text for every item in that list. So anyway, title _ eBay. So what we want to do is web.elements by class name, so we can choose which item in that list we want by doing at index 0 or whatever number. That's going to be the first result, and then .text. So that's what I'm going to do instead of doing. You can do the same thing with web.findElement by class name and not giving an index number. It'll by default give you the first item, but I'd rather get the list and then specify it. Is what I'd rather do. So let's just hit F5 on that so we can take a look at what we're talking about. Actually, no, I'm going to close all that because I'm not trying to. Okay, never mind. I'm going to keep it open so we can see it. So again, it's going to go to Home Depot first. And it's going to print out our price and our title. Same thing for Walmart. Title and price. And then it's going to navigate over to eBay. And now what did I say? I got title _ eBay. So it should be this one right here. So this is active items. So, but I'm just looking dead. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. So Brentwood Electric 1500. So yeah, and then for the price, I'm gonna get the average, which obviously you can see people are really shooting for it by just posting up whatever they can find and jacking up the price as much as possible. So, because this is ridiculous. Oh my goodness, $60. I don't know what kind of sales this product has, but wow, that's a lot of a difference. I kind of doubt that any of these are being sold, but let's check it out and see. So we're going to click sold items over here, and we've got two results. One on good old Valentine's Day. Somebody wanted to cook themselves dinner for for Valentine's Day, and then on February 7th, just a couple days before. So interestingly enough. So anyway, alright, we're going to go back to the active page, title _ eBay. So we got the title, and I said I want the price. Oh, so just the same way that we got the title, we're going to get the price, but instead of getting .text on just that one item, we're going to get the total list and then take the average of the items in that list. So this is S-item _ price span class S-item _ price _ price. So anyway, so title price _ eBay equals web.find elements by class name. Always remember the difference between find element and by elements. Elements is going to give you that list back. So find elements by class name, then we're gonna paste, and price underscore eBay. So this is actually going to come out as a list underscore price eBay, and then we're going to hit enter on that. So list underscore price eBay at index 0. So if we do .text on that, it should give us, okay, $61.18. It's going to be the first item. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a list comprehension. So list eBay prices. Probably could pick a better title, but oh well. List underscore eBay prices equals I.text for I in list underscore price eBay. So this is going to iterate through our list underscore price eBay, which is the list of prices on all the pages. So let me actually change the name of that right away. So list underscore list underscore eBay page prices. That's make your stuff easy to understand, because it's gonna make a huge difference in how long it takes you to figure out what you're doing. So list underscore eBay page prices, and then list underscore eBay number prices. Let's go with that. So I.text, and then we're gonna have to say dot replace that thing, the money sign, comma, and then I.text.replace, and then dot replace a comma if there's commas for thousands. So I.text.replace money symbol dot replace this, both with an empty string, that's a comma, for I in list price, list underscore price, no, this is the one we just changed, list underscore eBay page prices. Okay, so then we're going to do list underscore eBay number prices at index 0. Alright, looks good. Now we're going to take so we're going to say page average equals the sum divided by the length, and then it's the sum of list eBay number prices divided by the length, list underscore eBay number prices. Okay, those are both strings. We have to convert these. This is a string. It came up in quotation marks, single quotes. So all we have to do is just so no, I'm gonna copy this line, cut, and we have to redo these, or redo my comprehension. So where I said .text, where's that at? Am I tripping? Oh, there it is. Okay. So list underscore eBay page prices. So both of them, I think. It looks like. So page prices and number prices. So page prices web.com. No, what am I doing? Okay. This thing, eBay number prices. Okay. All right. Then I have to wrap this. Sorry if it looks a little bit confusing right now. Once I put it in one line, in my other page, it might look a little simpler. But we're gonna, in front of our I, we're gonna put string in open parenthesis, and all the way at the end of this chain, we're gonna put the closing parenthesis. Oh, don't control save, and then hit enter. And now we should do page average equals the sum divided by the length. And what did I do wrong now? String. Oh, because I put it in strings. Okay, it's not string, but it said integer, and then for I and this. Okay. So, oh, can't do that either. So float would be the correct thing here. Okay, and then we're gonna try this one again. Alright, so page average is $41.11 is the average, and what we can do is round that, I think. So round, and then at the end of this we're gonna put a comma and then a 2, I think. Page average. Alright, $41.12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first transfer all this junk to this page. So we got title underscore eBay. So I have prices. So starting so I did list underscore eBay page prices. Copy that and put that after title underscore eBay, and I'll give a chance to show you the whole screen in a moment. So we did list underscore eBay page prices and eBay number prices, which I had to redo the new one. Just go through the bottom. So number prices, copy, paste, enter, and then copy this other page average, paste, paste, save. Alright. Now these are the lines spread out. Let me see, this one goes okay a little bit. Oh well, I think. Okay, so I hope you can see them, and then the very end of this is just letter S and closing square brackets. So anyway, so we've got our title, then we've got our list of page prices, then we converted it from whatever format it was in to how we needed it, and then we got the average of it. So now what I would do is I would also display that on to our console. So print title underscore eBay, print what am I doing? Price underscore eBay. Okay, and then print eBay. Okay, and then my things. But that other thing was just a mess, so I'm not going to do that. So let's get rid of that. Alright, so title, and then yes, I'll do a print, and then okay, so we're going to print this out, and that's going to be the end of this video. And in the next video we're just very simply going to do I need to do that for real? Is that going to take a whole nother video? Shouldn't I just save it? We've been going for, are you kidding, 28 minutes? Really? Alright, we're definitely about to end this video. Oh, well then again, we've been going long enough, I might as well finish it. Yeah, that'd be better. Okay. So collecting eBay. So I'm just going to run this program again by hitting F5. My browser opens up, and we're going to move it to this side. Oh, we don't want to look at this window though. I want this one, and on that side. Okay, so it printed out our Home Depot product. Now we're at the Walmart website. It printed out our Walmart product. Now we're at the eBay website, and it did not print out our product, but that's okay because I'm going to fix that extremely quickly. Price underscore eBay, line 38. Okay, and we're gonna assume that it works. I guess maybe I should. Oh no, because that's just misnamed variables. So page average. So instead of page average, I should just say price underscore eBay is equal to page average, and that will fix the problem. Okay, so thank you for coming and checking out this video. I'm sorry it was so long. I had no idea. So I hope you join me for the next one, where we're going to be saving this text data to our CSV, and then we're going to be trying to collect 100 UPCs so that we can compare all 100 of them using this process. So I hope you join me in the next one. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, and all that other stuff, and I will see you in the next one.